Hi, this is Tara from nofluff.biz, a site with advice and information for design graduates. I just wanted to show you Podio, which is an online project management system that's completely free to use that could help you manage your freelance graphic design jobs. As you can see here, I've just created a new account in Podio, and it's completely free to do that. And once you're there, you probably want to create a new workspace. So you might want to have different workspaces, say for your graphics work, for personal stuff. And I'd probably create, for a start, an empty workspace. So I'm going to call this graphic design work, but you could split it by different clients or however you wanted. I'm going to make it private, invite only. And then the easiest way to do things is just simply add tasks. Okay, so imagine I've got a new job in, it's a brochure design, due date, say it's this Friday, assigned to, now if you had more than one person in this space, if you'd invited someone, you'd have the option to assign it to the other person as well, but in this case it's just me. You can enter a description of the job just here. You can attach that to your new workspace, which is obviously graphic design work. And labels, you might want to put it to a certain client name or perhaps by type of work, and then create task. Okay, and I might want to type in another task. Let's say I've got a web design project, due date, let's try custom date, so let me make that 29th. Again, assign it to myself, and you can just add a description again. Obviously you'd put a little bit more in depth than that. Attach it to the workspace, graphic design work, and then web, perhaps I'll put the client name in again. Create tasks. And if you go to that workspace, graphic design work, click on tasks, and you can see all the upcoming tasks. Now if I had a task coming in today or tomorrow, so let's add another one. Let's do a logo project. Let's say that's tomorrow. Again, assign it to myself. Description. Attach it to the same workspace, graphic design work. Add labels. Let's put the client name in again. Obviously there'd be different client names. Hit tasks again. And obviously now you can see what you've got to do tomorrow, what's upcoming. And when you finish the job, just simply tick it off. And you can also set this so it will actually email you a list of your tasks, like for the day and what's upcoming. Okay, so if you want a bit more sophisticated project management system, you can also do that with Podio. And there's a variety of apps that you can choose from. So if you want to do that, just visit the app market here. And at the moment, all these apps I believe are free. I don't think that'll be the same in the future. So just do a search for the type of thing you want. So perhaps look for project management. And you can see the type of thing that's available here. So you can have a look at this. You can get more info or actually just get the app. So I'm going to go get the app. And these look like they'd be useful too, to have something about companies, the companies we're working for, and the clients. So yes, let's say we'll have those as well, and I'm going to assign that to the workspace that we set up, and go try it now. I'm not going to go through all this, but basically you just go add a project, and you can see now it actually allows you to put who the customer is, who the contacts are within that business. There's a lot more information there, so it all depends for this. You know, how sophisticated you need your system to be. Personally, I don't use anything this sophisticated, I just use the tasks. But if you're managing a lot of jobs and you're doing a lot of collaborative work, it's probably a good idea.